Looking for a nice simple gift idea? Check this out. This is a glass with a bamboo cover. The straw is glass and it also comes with a straw cleaner. And I really like this glass. I actually bought this for myself, and I hope you can see clearly. It says here "you are," and then it has like, okay, beautiful, victorious. This one is enough. Actually, what happened, I had this glass in the fridge because this is my lemon water here, but of course you could drink anything in this. It has strong, so basically you're not really seeing the words here. This one is never alone, amazing, capable, chosen, created, always loved. And after each word there is a location from the Bible, like so you could actually look and see exactly which part of the Bible you could find these words. It's really cool. I really like this a lot. And yeah, nothing much more I can say about this. I really like it. It's a great gift idea for anybody, maybe a teacher, a co-worker. It's a simple universal gift. Even a man could get this, so yeah. Or maybe you can give a gift yourself with one of these, really nice.